the Bible, that Constitution, now that new Willy Wonka movie. Read the fine print. When they told you all that he has been given authority over all principalities and powers, you didn't realize that was the final signature for your eternal slavery. Africa's eternal slavery to whoever owns the Bible. It was the pink man's magnum opus. Because don't you realize that you are a principality? You go home to your village and fight over one other rights. You go home and shout in Umuna meetings. You come to the wedding of your sister's daughter and claim rights as Nnochie. You come to your nephew's Ichiozo and claim rights. Why Jesus no come claim all those rights since he owns Jerusalem and also own Umuoji? More, I'm not even talking about in the deeper life. We don't go deeper into a fictional tale and further out of reality. But you all who are still normal Christians, a principality means that you have authority over a locality. If you want to eat a toad, so drop everything, carry your cross and follow Jesus. In the deeper life, and I don't myself. Kaine do na bawanye soma udo no gugwanyi